Best Plastic Bag Dispenser Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular grocery bag organizers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this trash bag holder so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this plastic bag dispenser. The one that made our list is the Malmo stainless steel wall-mounted grocery bag dispenser. This bag holder is made from industrial-grade stainless steel with its elegant fingerprint-proof brush finish. It can be mounted using either screws provided or the double-sided tape. It's ideal for use on walls or the inside of cabinet doors, for grocery bags and trash bags. Its ergonomically designed rounded top ensures you can put the bags in safely without getting cuts on your hands. And the front opening is specially crafted to curve outwards so that it's easy to pull out the plastic bags whenever you need one. This dispenser measures 12.3 inches tall by 7.3 inches wide and can generally hold a lot of your plastic bags in one place. To check out the full specs of the Malmo stainless steel wall-mounted grocery bag dispenser and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/plasticbagdispenser. Here's a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and start using it right away. So there you have it, the Malmo stainless steel wall-mounted grocery bag dispenser. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and how elegant it looks, we feel that this bag dispenser is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Malmo stainless steel wall-mounted grocery bag dispenser and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/plasticbagdispenser. Alright, thank you for watching.